Laga.com.
Security, development, politics, all aspects of the state building has been presented, and the challenges have been made very clear, and the prospects of success has been clearly outmarked. For the Somali government, we are very much grateful for what has been achieved. We are not claiming that we are perfect or perfectionism, but we are claiming that we are moving forward and we're making progress.
The conclusion is that the political progress has been good, but there is still some important progress to be made to finish with the federation of the country and to prepare a more inclusive, more broad-based electoral process in 2016 than in 2012. We made important commitments on that and set some important deadlines and principles that we wish to see followed together, collectively, the international community and the federal government and institutions of Somalia.
Thank you all for coming on the media now.
Including international leaders, as well as the independent commission for review and implementation of the Constitution. We endorse timelines submitted by the
Laga.com.